Welcome to Mediapreneur Hub. Designing is a key point when it comes to foods. So today we shall be designing this simple burger flyer design. In case it is your first time, make sure that you do subscribe. Let us dive in. As you can see, this is our design. It is so simple. Here in the layers panel, we are using few layers, but we are making awesome design. Let us design this from scratch. So what I will do, I will go to File, then File, I will choose New, so that I can create a new project. I will name my project Food Hub 2. So then after, I'm going to leave these dimensions, but consider these dimensions. On the width, I have used 2500, and the height, I have used 3000. You can leave other settings as they are. Then say create. Then after you create, now I have my white background. But I just want to first make a black background. So I'll just come here and I'll create a new layer by just clicking on this icon. So now it has created a new layer. I want to make this layer black. I will go to Edit. Then inside Edit, I'll go to Fill. Then inside Fill, I'm going to choose Color. Then Color, I'll choose the black color. Then I'll say OK. So then I have a dark background. So then I'm going to drag and drop my image in here. So I'll click here and I'll drag my image. So now the image has loaded. It is so beautiful. Wow. So I'm going to try to make sure that I scale this image until I am satisfied with the size. So I will scale up the image till here. Then after scaling the image, I'll click on this icon to confirm my transformation. So now I have confirmed my transformation. Then what I want to do, I just want to make sure that I have to duplicate. The other duplicate, I just want the other duplicate to be having no background. Then the other duplicate to have a background. This background is what I mean. So then what I will do, I want to select off only this burger. So I'll make sure that I select my burger. So then I'll just come here to select. Then I'll pick subject. So now Photoshop will process my image so that it can auto select the image. So after auto selecting, now it has automatically selected off my burger from the background. But I just want to continue the selection, even to select this wooden part. So I'll use a tool which is called Quick Selection Tool. I'll just come here and I'll select this tool which is called Quick Selection Tool. And the shortcut on your keyboard is W. So I'll select it, then I'll just come and I draw where I want to select more. So after I am satisfied with the selection, I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard so that I have a duplicate. So now, as you can see, I have a duplicate and I have the original, which is this. So, but I just want to clean up the duplicate that I have selected. So I'll use a simple tool which is called the blur tool, which is this tool. So I'll select this blur tool, then I'll just come to the edges. So I'll make sure that I rub these edges so that they are not sharp. I just want a smooth edge on my burger. So what I'm doing now, I'm making sure that I don't have the rigid edges. I'm making sure that all my edges are totally smooth. So then after, I'll make the other copy visible by just clicking on this eye icon. So then this copy, which is duplicate, I just want to make sure that it is extremely bigger. So I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard. Then I'll make it bigger, like so. After making it bigger, so then I just want to make this background image to be a little bit blurry so that it is not in focus. So I'll just go to filter, then inside filter I will choose blur, then inside blur I will choose the Gaussian blur. So then the Gaussian blur, I'll make sure that I have the radius around 50, so you can play with that value. Then I'll press OK. Then my image is a little bit brighter. Now it is the contrast of the background is fighting my forward image or my forward bagger. So what I will do, I'll just select it, then I will reduce the opacity. Then when I reduce the opacity, now we can clearly see this first layer. So this is the actual design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to proceed with the other design. I'm just going to make sure that I grab my rectangular tool or rectangle tool. So then I'm going to make sure that my fill color is disabled, and I'm going to use the stroke color, and you can play with the stroke size. I'm going to make sure that my stroke size is 5. Then I'm going to choose this yellowish, something like that. Then I'm going to come here and I draw this design. I just want a rounded corner, so I can grab this simple gizmo. Then I'll try to drag so that I make a rounded corner. So then it is time for typography. I just want to put it at the back of this bagger. So I'll just drag and I put it down here so that it is behind our bagger. Now it is time for typography. So I'll grab my type tool. Even I can just press letter T on my keyboard. Then I'll come here and I write. But I'm going to first make sure that I use a bold font, and I have chose Montserrat. The font I have chosen Montserrat font, but you can choose any bold font. Still, it will work. So then I just want to make it a little bit smaller so that it can fit inside this, and I just want to choose the color to be white. Beautiful. So then I think I use the word the ultimate chicken burger. So I'll just come here, then I'll write that the ultimate. Then down, as you can see, my font it is not allowing me to go beneath. So I'm just going to come to this icon. Then I'm going to, I think this is called the leading. I will just come to this leading. Then this leading, the leading, I'll make it auto. So when I make it auto, it means that I can have a space vertically. So I'll write here the word chicken. Then beneath, I'll write the word burger. So now, again, I just want to add more design on this text. So I'm just going to make the word burger a little bit more bigger because it is the main emphasis. So I'll select the word the burger only. Then I'll just come and I make the font size a little bit bigger, like so. But as I have made it bigger, you see it is far. It has created a bigger space between chicken and the burger. So again, select the word burger. Then I'll put it a little bit closer, like so. Then after that, I just want to write here the word, maybe because this is a treatment, I will write here the word treat. So I'll just come again with my type tool. Remember, make sure that you are typing on a new layer. So again, grab your text tool. So when I write the word trade, I just want to change the font. I want to use a script font. I have a font which is called dancing. Maybe this dancing, it will make it more better. So I just make it a little bit bigger so that I bring it in here. Then maybe bring the word burger again closer. But I just want to change the color of treat. So I'll double click in here, then I'll choose the color, then I'll color pick this color. So I'll make it more warm, and maybe I can make it more yellowish like this. So then, as you can see, I have this awesome design, but I just want to make a simple stroke on the word treat. So I'm going to select it. Then I'll come down here on the effects. Inside the effects, I'll choose the stroke. Then the stroke, I'm going to use that darkish or brownish color. Then I'll place OK. Then even here I'll place OK. Wow, the design is looking awesome. It is so simple and it is so easy to do it in Adobe Illustrator. Then the next time I just want to drag and drop my logo, or you can put any information of your own choice. It is up to you. So but right now I'm just going to use a simple logo of Mediapreneur Hub. So I will choose my logo. So I will drag and drop my logo in here. So bring it down here. And the design is done. Congratulations when you have reached this level. But before we go, just know that Mediapreneur Hub, we do offer internship opportunity or internship training. We are just located here at the Cafe Embassy Plaza opposite American Embassy in Zambia, Gaba Road. Or you can call us on 0783 850 478 for more information. Or you can also visit our website at www.mediapreneurhub.org. We shall be so happy to work with you. So this was for today, and we shall be seeing you in the next episode. Have a great day.